cheapest thing, buying the cheapest thing. There's a live stuffed animal here today. She's not stuffed, she's puffed. Ew, ew, my hairy armpits. Just keep looking at the aesthetic, not this. She's not stuffed, she's puffed. She is a stuffed animal. She's stuffed with fat. Why is it acceptable to call like animals chunky and fat, but it's not acceptable to like it's rude if like somebody was like to me like, oh, you're chunky and you're fat, but it's like cute if you say it to an animal. You're like, oh, you're a chunky girl, you're chunky, you're fatty. Like, I mean, do you, society, do you. Today I'm going to be buying the cheapest thing on Coach. I haven't done Coach yet. I have been requested to do like so many brands, so I want to do more of these. Okay, so today let's go onto Coach website, and you guys know the drill. I'm gonna go low to high on different categories, show you guys what's going on with Coach, and whatever the item is, I'm going to buy it, get it shipped here, unbox it for you guys, see how their shipping is with the cheapest item, see if they still pay that same care to like, I don't know, like a $40 item that they would like a $5,000 item. So if you guys want to watch that, then stay tuned and let's get into it. Okay, and by the way, I'm Canadian, so these are going to be in Canadian prices, and if you are watching this a few months from now, things change, websites get new stuff all the time, so what's cheapest now might not be cheapest in a week, a month, or a year from now. So this is what the front page is looking like. It's beautiful pink and springy. We love it. The categories up top we have our new, women, men, Coach Reloved, and sale. Sale? Oh my god, girl. It's very rare we get a sale section. We have had it before. I forget where it was on, but this is exciting. And Reloved? So it's gonna be like authentic Coach items that previously somebody wanted and then didn't want anymore. Reloved? You know when you leave a relationship and it's like, I'm still good. I'm not damaged goods. I'm still here. I'm still authentic. Check my tag. Like, see, it's still me. Reloved. Okay, we're gonna skip new because all the newer items, like if it's a new purse, it's gonna be in the handbag section. So we're just gonna skip that and go straight into women. And then the categories within women are handbags, wristlets and wallets, ready to wear, shoes, accessories, collections, and gifts. And we always skip gifts because it's the same thing of what I just said. When I first click handbags, this is what we see. I feel like this is real, like early 2000s vibe. I feel like I'm in a Lizzie McGuire movie, or Hannah Montana just popped out. Like, these are like what Britney Spears wore to like the MTV Choice Awards or something. Like, what is happening? And like, not in a cute way. They are fugly. Okay, I'm so glad we can go low to high, and we're gonna click that right there. And the lowest price item is $95. That's not too bad. And it's actually a cute little wristlet in all different colors there. Ooh, the pink one. Girl, okay. I actually would not be mad with getting a wristlet for $95. Coach might be the come up. Coach is like, we've been here, girl. Coach is like, you're trying to get clout off of our name by doing a video on us. Oh, it's funny. I cracked myself up. No one laughed. The one person that laughed, thanks. So for the rest, I'm just gonna go low to high on all of them. So for wallets and wristlets, the low to high is $70. So we are now getting our choice of these. The cheapest clothing item is this green is groovy. I like that second shirt. All these are like cute little like vintagey distress moments. I like them. They don't really scream designer to me, but for like $100. But I feel like I can get a vibe like that at Walmart for like 20 or like 15. Coach then replies back, then don't buy her shit, Samantha. You know, like, you don't have enough money to buy her stuff. That's why you're looking through the cheap shit. Oh, I might buy those freaking flip-flops, those last ones. These are the lowest price shoes, by the way. Those are so cute. Like, what is this like early 2000s vibe? I'm obsessed with it. And the cheapest ones are these rain booty for $80, $80.50. Why does it say $82, $115? Does it depend on the color? Probably depends on the color. Which is some websites, I never understood that. Like, some websites are like different prices for different colors, but hey, you know what? They do that. But those flip-flops are everything. Okay, drum roll, the lowest price accessory. This is usually where we buy the cheapest item in. If you've watched my cheapest series before, oh, I didn't even click it. The lowest price one is leather cleaner, an address book refill, leather moisturizer, and oh, the hairy one has to be 20 bucks. I would have got that one. Okay, but $15 seems like it's probably gonna be our cheapest, but you never know. We've been surprised before, but like under $10. So basically, so far I have my choice of 3 of the cheapest items. $15, that's not a bad price. I don't know what I'm gonna choose, so stay tuned. So the next section is men's, and they are bags, wallets, ready to wear, shoes, accessories, and gifts. So let's go through those minus the gifts. Okay, when I first click men's bags, look at these cute backpacks. Why am I like in love with Coach right now? And that's like so much cheaper than my Louis stuff. So I'm like, should I be a Coach stan now? Like the early 2000s, like this is like class. This looks so classy. I love this. Do we stand Coach? Like, is that the vibe? So the lowest price men's item is a cosmetic case for $95. These are so much cuter than the women's ones. I feel like these are like classier. I would so buy that. Oh, and I didn't even realize that underneath each one of these, if you guys can see that, it says 30% off, use code this. So they're actually even cheaper than that. The cheapest men's wallet is a money clip for $70. Classy. Like, I feel like a dad would wear that. Hey daddy. The lowest price men's ready to wear is $150. All these are pretty much the same as the women's ones, I'd say, except those gray sweatpants. Those mans in gray sweatpants. The lowest men's shoes are these slides for $115. Not that bad, not terrible. And last but not least, the cheapest men's accessories are the same as the women's accessories: the leather cleaner, address book, moisturizer for leather, and the spiral diary. And they're the same price. Okay, so for the reloved section, they have all these categories of their reloved. I think this is so cool, so people can resell them on Coach, and you know that they're authentic because they're Coach, they would know. But I'm just gonna click view all for all these and see what we got. Okay, so even if something was like $6,000, even if something was $6, every single thing currently right here is sold out, as you can see there at the top, but they are reasonably priced. I don't know what the original prices were, so if you guys are curious of that, maybe you can look into it, but I didn't know that Coach did that, so that's cool. And last but not least, we have the sale section. We might find some goodies here. So we're gonna go with women's sale, men's sale, event pick, and bundle and save. Let's check it out. You can still search low to high for the sale section, so I'm very happy about that. Cheapest women's sale section. The cheapest one is $46. Ew, that's the ugliest nothing shirt I've ever seen in my life. The double wrap bracelet. Okay, they're not that bad price. And they show you the original price too. That's pretty good. I mean, how Zara's prices are higher than that. So that's pretty good. Here are the cheapest men's sale section items. I'm not sure, oh, I thought there was something in my window. Why that says low profile, but I mean, that could be your rap name and then you already have merch there. And you'd be like, Coach sells my merch. So, and it says it's almost gone. So maybe somebody already did that. For the event pick, okay, the lowest price event pick, I don't know what that is in sale section, is this, $40.65. I am not sure what that means, but it's not the cheapest item. A Dinky chain strap, me, Dinky. Dinky's the name, chain's the game. Bundle and save says you can save on matching sets. Okay, so the matching sets weren't even anywhere near the lowest price, so we're gonna avoid that. Okay, so I was just seeing if some of the lower priced items that said take an extra 30% off were gonna be cheaper than the $15 item, but the lowest price one that was 30% off was $40, which would be around like $28, 30-ish with tax. So it still is going to be between the leather cleaner, address book refill, or leather moisturizer. Like, I want the address book because I like notebooks and stuff like that, but just for addresses, like, I don't write down people's addresses. I feel like that's a little odd nowadays. Like, my grandma had that, my mom had that back in the day, but who has that now? Like, everything's, I feel like, in your phone, which is actually sad to think about, but it's true. I have leather. I don't know what leather moisturizer is, so I think I'm gonna go with the leather cleaner, but I think that you guys would probably want to see like the notebook. Like, I think that's the most interesting, don't you think? And Kat, like, just right now said as you should. Sorry, there's an OnlyFans picture as my background, so I'm like blurring that out. If you guys want to subscribe to my OnlyFans, you can go to the link in my Instagram bio and subscribe and see the whole picture of that. But anyways, she said as I should. She was literally not talking about this, but as I should buy the address book. Okay. And you know what? If like I really have no use for it. Maybe there are some cute pages in there. Maybe I can do something with it for $15. And if I really can't, then I will gift it to, like, my grandma uses them still. So let's order that and then get it shipped here. Because I have a lot of leather cleaning products, I feel like that's boring. So let's buy the address book, get it shipped here, and I'll see you guys when it gets here. And it literally says only 4 left in stock, so I'm gonna purchase it right now. So I just placed the order, and it was $15 for the item, and it was $15 for shipping, $2 for tax. So my order was like $32 for that. So always have shipping in mind, and I can't believe shipping was the actual price of the item. Hey everybody, it's arrived. She's here looking cute. It actually came and it was like jewelry. What did it say on it? Hold on. Handbags and accessories. I was like, what? It's my birthday weekend right now, and I'm like, oh, somebody got me a handbag. I'm like, wait, what? It's gonna be like, what am I supposed to carry in there? A Cheez-It? Like, hello everyone, here's my Cheez-It purse. Like, anyway, so I realized it was Coach. So we're gonna unbox this right now and see what it is. Really? See what it is? We know what it is. We looked for 45 minutes on what it is. I need help. Okay. Wow, this packaging means business. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. That's high tech. Look at that roll. Look at that roll. Coach. And then this roll, we're gonna open it up. Oh my god, this is a lot for this. Wow, they made sure. Oh my god, they give you a pillow too. Like, that's so kind. What is it? Look, there's so many goodies in here. There's that. There's this. There's this. Let's explore. Coach, New York. Thank you for shopping at Coach. We hope you enjoy your purchase. It was made with the quality and attention to detail Coach has been known for since 1941. Oh, and then we got this. I'm assuming that this is the receipt. It is. This is the coolest unboxing. Look, that is so cute. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. I'm shocked. I was genuinely shocked. I forgot what we got. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so little. It's so little. So this is what she looks like. Oh, it's got a little protective cover, and then it says Coach address book. Okay, so it's just like your typical address. This reminds me of the 90s. Like, when I'd be like, hi, can Jordan come out to play? My mom would be like, she lives on. So should I use this? I feel like we're doxing people if I do. You know what? My granny would actually probably really like this and get a lot of use out of this. Actually, she probably wouldn't, because she would say it's so small, you can't read it. My mom actually might use this. She probably would. My mom still uses an address book, and hers is from like 1920, so she can get a new updated one and be a bougie queen. And if you guys want to see it, this is literally what every page looks like. And then at the back, whoa, international dialing, me. And then there's these notes section. But I thought they were gonna be like Coach notes. They're just like notes, like within, but the pages feel very soft. So that's that. I'm gonna give it to my mom. So that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more cheapest series, let me know. And I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!